This is a 3-compartment sink used in food service facilities to ensure that dishes, pots, pans are all cleaned and sanitized. The 3 individual compartments each have a very specific purpose. The first sink is to clean, the second is to rinse, and the third is to sanitize. And notice that each sink is appropriately labeled. In order to prepare the first compartment, you need to fill the sink with water that is at least 100 degrees Fahrenheit and enough detergent to clean the dishes. Once the first compartment is filled, the second sink is simply filled with water that is also at least 110 degrees Fahrenheit. After the second sink is completed, the third compartment is filled with 110 degrees Fahrenheit water and some sanitizing solution. Here we have used chlorine. After you have completed the third compartment sink, we use the test strips to demonstrate the necessary concentration of water to ensure the dishes are sanitized. Notice that the test strip meets the required 100 parts per million. After all 3 compartments are prepared, dishes can be cleaned. The first step is to scrape off all excess food particles from plates, pots, and pans. Next, the dishware is to be submerged into the first compartment. Using a scrub brush or scrub pad, remove the remaining food particles. Be sure that all particles have been removed from the dishware before moving on. The dishware now needs to be rinsed in the second compartment to remove excess soap suds. After rinsing the dishware, it should be placed in the third compartment for sanitizing. Sanitizing kills all harmful bacteria that could still be on the dishware after washing and rinsing. Here's a second example of washing a larger piece of dishware. The same process is done as washing the smaller plate. Notice how long I've left the plate in the sanitizing solution. Depending on the solution used, it is necessary to leave the dishware in for 1 to 2 minutes. According to FDA regulations, dishware must be air-dried after sanitizing. It is necessary to have a drying rack ready so the dishware can dry in a timely manner.